Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just did a review on one of the Vont products, which was the camping lanterns. And now I'm gonna do this guy, which I was also super excited to get. Like I said, this company contacted me. They are an Amazon seller, and they wanted to know, was I interested in reviewing any products. They sent me their link to let me see what all products that they sell, and there were two on there I was really excited about. One was camping lanterns, which I just did a video on, so if you haven't checked that out, please go check it out. There is a giveaway in there. And then the other one was a kitchen scale. I already had a kitchen scale, but it was one that was just flat. This one actually came with a bowl. They have a flat one on their website as well, but I was like, oh, how cool, I don't have one with a bowl, so I would love to try that. So I told them, like, I'd be honored to review either of these products, and they ended up sending me both. So thank you so much, Vont, for giving me a chance, and I'm excited. So we're gonna actually unbox this one together, guys. Yay. So yeah, I've never had one with a bowl. So what they specialize in is LED products. And what I like, they did the same for the camping lanterns. They send you the batteries for the products. How many companies do not do that? I wish toys did that for Christmas, like when you buy your kids toys. I hate that you have to go buy batteries. So I love that they already include them for us. So here, let me see if I can figure this out. Here is the instructions and paperwork for it. This is where I put the batteries down here. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. But yeah, they specialize in LED products. They have all types of stuff. Like I said, I have camping lanterns. Now I have a kitchen scale. I know they have bicycle lights for like the front and back of bicycles. So if you're looking for something, maybe you ride bikes yourself, like, and it's dark at night or early in the morning, I think you should check them out. They're really good. But it's for the front and back of the bikes, or if you're looking for something for your kids and you want them to feel safer. But again, there's all types of products. The company is called Vont. If you just type Vont in the search engine of Amazon, it'll pop up with a square. You can click Vont and it'll show you everything they sell. Okay, so here's this guy. So it's a digital scale. It came on. And then go ahead and open this up. And here's the bowl. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice. Like, I like that it's like the stainless steel. Let's see. What all does it do? Let me tell you. I'll set mine up right here. Oh, it even has the temperature. Let me read it. Okay, it says digital food scale, stainless steel. It has an alarm timer, precise measurement, thermometer. So that's really cool, guys. I've never seen one that had a thermometer and a timer on it. But yeah, I love the fact that it does all of those things. So this is what it looks like. I think it's super fancy. I'm excited to put this in my kitchen. I can't believe they sent this to me for free. But this company is very reasonable in their prices. I think you guys should definitely check them out. They did send me a code to share with you guys. It will save you 10% off if you're interested in purchasing not just this item, but any of the items they sell. I believe it is 10 Gina bottle, but I will link it in the description below. I'll go ahead and I'll link this product and type out the code. The code does not make me any money, so I'm not pushing this on you to make money. It's just so I could save you something at home. But this is an awesome product, and to me, like, things like this are good gifts. I like getting gifts for my kitchen because call me weird, but I actually like to cook. So I like getting stuff like this. It actually looks fancy schmancy. So if you know anybody in your life that would like getting something like this for a birthday gift, Christmas gift, or even yourself, you just want something a little upgraded. Like I said, it does the temperature, it does everything. That's bomb. Maybe for steaks, like you could take a steak off and put it in here and test the temperature. I don't know, but you could experiment, play around. But what's awesome is they sent me two. So I will be doing a giveaway and somebody's gonna win one of these. So November 19th at midnight, I will close out the comment section. Well, I'm not gonna close it out, but nobody else will be eligible after that. On the 20th, I will do a random comment picker and let you guys know who won. Okay? Okay. So, what you have to do is comment below, tell me that please enter me, okay? And then, let's see, what emoji could you give me? I don't know if there's a scale emoji. So, let's just go with... I don't know. Let's go with any type of animal emoji. You pick the animal, I don't care. But tell me, please enter me and an animal emoji. And you'll be entered. And again, on the 20th, I'll release a video showing the random comment picker, who it picked. And please make sure you're 18 years of age or older or have a parent's consent in order to enter. Also, I will only ship to U.S. addresses, so if you do live internationally and you want to enter, please provide me a U.S. shipping address, and then it will be up to you and the other individual to get it to you internationally. YouTube is not responsible for this in any way, shape, or form. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you once again, Vont, for sending this to me for review. Again, this is the second product they sent me. I'm very impressed with this company. All the stuff they've sent me looks high quality. And so I think they're definitely worth checking out. If you don't want to wait for a giveaway, that's totally cool. Like, the stuff is very reasonable. So again, go to the link in the description. I will have this particular scale linked below and have the discount promo code, which again I think is 10 Gina bottle, which y'all know my brain, but I'll have it typed out for you. Love you guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina, and I'll see you in the next video.